Welcome to Future Robotics. The 1950s and 1960s were a time of great industrial change. World War II had just ended. The United States experienced a surge in manufacturing. Factories were buzzing. They needed to produce goods quickly and efficiently. Companies sought ways to boost productivity. They wanted to keep up with the rising consumer demand. Automation emerged as a key solution. Machines were developed to take over repetitive and laborious tasks. This paved the way for a new era of industrial efficiency. The stage was set for a groundbreaking invention. This invention would change the face of manufacturing forever. The world was on the brink of the robotics revolution. At the forefront of this revolution were two brilliant minds, George Devil and Joseph Engelberger. Devil, a talented inventor, conceived the idea of a programmable manipulator. He envisioned a machine that could perform tasks with precision and flexibility. His vision was rooted in the need for automation in industries like manufacturing. Joseph Engelberger, an astute entrepreneur, recognized the transformative potential of Devil's invention. Engelberger was passionate about bringing automation to industries beyond manufacturing. He saw robots not as job stealers, but as collaborators. He believed robots could handle dangerous and repetitive tasks. This would free up human workers for more complex and rewarding work. Together, Devil and Engelberger embarked on a journey to turn Devil's concept into a reality. They founded the world's first robot manufacturing company, Unimate Inc., in 1956. Their first creation, aptly named Unimate, embodied the dawn of a new era in automation. Unimate, short for Universal Automation, was a testament to its intended versatility. The Unimate was a marvel of engineering for its time. It was a large arm-like machine. It was powered by hydraulic actuators. This allowed it to move with surprising strength and precision. It had a rotating base. This gave it a wide range of motion. It was controlled by a computer program. This allowed it to perform a sequence of movements. These movements were taught by physically moving the arm. In 1961, history was made. It was a year that would forever change the landscape of industrial manufacturing. The world's first industrial robot, Unimate, was installed on the assembly line at a General Motors plant in New Jersey. This groundbreaking event marked the beginning of a new era in automation and robotics. This marked a pivotal moment in the history of automation. Factories around the world began to take notice, realizing the potential of robots to revolutionize manufacturing processes. The Unimate was tasked with a dangerous and repetitive job transferring die-cast metal parts. This job was not only monotonous, but also posed significant risks to human workers. These parts were hot and hazardous for human workers. The introduction of Unimate meant that workers no longer had to handle these perilous tasks, reducing the risk of injury. Unimate's arrival at General Motors was met with a mix of excitement and apprehension from the human workers. They were witnessing the dawn of a new technological age. Some were fascinated by the robot's capabilities. They saw it as a marvel of modern engineering, a glimpse into the future of manufacturing. Others worried about their jobs being replaced. The fear of automation taking over human roles was a significant concern, leading to debates about the future of work. However, it soon became clear that Unimate was not a threat, but a valuable asset. It increased productivity, the efficiency gains were undeniable, and the robot proved to be an indispensable part of the assembly line. It also improved worker safety. By taking over the most dangerous tasks, Unimate allowed human workers to focus on less hazardous and more skilled activities. This helped to alleviate concerns and pave the way for wider acceptance of robots in the workplace. The success of Unimate at General Motors demonstrated that humans and robots could work together harmoniously, leading to a safer and more productive industrial environment. Section 5. A revolution in manufacturing, the impact of Unimate. The introduction of Unimate at General Motors marked the beginning of a revolution in manufacturing. The success of Unimate in a real-world factory setting demonstrated the potential of robots. This led to a surge in interest in automation from various industries. Companies began to recognize the numerous benefits of incorporating robots into their operations. Robots offered a way to improve efficiency. They could work tirelessly without breaks or fatigue. Robots also offered consistency and quality. They could perform tasks with a high degree of precision. This reduced errors and waste. Moreover, robots enhanced worker safety. They could handle dangerous tasks. This minimized the risk of accidents and injuries. Section 6. Overcoming obstacles, challenges in the path of progress. Despite its groundbreaking impact, the development and implementation of Unimate was not without its challenges. The journey was fraught with numerous obstacles that tested the ingenuity and perseverance of the engineers and visionaries behind this revolutionary technology. One major challenge was the technological limitations of the time. The 1950s and 1960s were an era when computing technology was still in its infancy. The available hardware was bulky, slow, and had very limited processing power compared to today's standards. Building a complex machine like Unimate in the 1950s and 1960s was no easy feat. Engineers had to innovate with the rudimentary tools and materials available to them, often pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible at the time. Engineers had to work with limited computing power. The computers they used were not only slow, but also required significant manual intervention. This meant that programming Unimate to perform even simple tasks was a monumental challenge. They had to invent new ways to control and program the robot's movements. This involved creating entirely new algorithms and control systems from scratch, often through a process of trial and error. Another challenge was the skepticism and resistance from some sections of society. The idea of machines taking over tasks traditionally performed by humans was met with fear and uncertainty. The idea of robots taking over human jobs was a source of anxiety for some. Many workers feared that automation would lead to widespread unemployment and economic instability. Unions in particular were wary of the potential job displacement that automation could bring. They organized protests and lobbied against the widespread adoption of robotic technology in factories. Overcoming this resistance required educating people about the benefits of robots. Engineers and advocates had to demonstrate how robots could improve efficiency, safety, and productivity in the workplace. It also required demonstrating that robots could complement human workers rather than replacing them entirely. By showing that robots could take on dangerous or repetitive tasks, they highlighted how automation could lead to more fulfilling and safer jobs for humans. Section 7. Unimate's enduring legacy, shaping the future of robotics. Unimate's impact extended far beyond the immediate confines of the factory floor. The success of Unimate ignited the imagination of inventors and engineers worldwide. It spurred further advancements in robotics. This led to the development of more sophisticated and capable robots. Unimate paved the way for the automation we see today. Today, robots are everywhere. They are in our homes, hospitals, schools, and of course in countless industries. Unimate's legacy can be seen in the robots that assemble our cars, assist in surgeries, explore distant planets, and even entertain us. The fundamental principles of robotics, pioneered by Unimate, continue to shape the development of new and innovative robotic systems. Section 8. Beyond the factory floor, Unimate's cultural impact. Unimate's influence transcended the realm of technology and permeated popular culture. The robot captured the public's imagination. It became a symbol of the future. Unimate appeared on television, in movies, and even toured trade shows. Its appearances fascinated audiences. They sparked conversations about the potential and perils of artificial intelligence. Unimate's image became synonymous with the promise and potential of automation. It fueled science fiction narratives. It inspired generations of future scientists, engineers, and dreamers. Even today, Unimate continues to be celebrated in museums and exhibitions worldwide as a testament to human ingenuity. Section 9. Conclusion. The enduring significance of the first industrial robot. Unimate, the brainchild of Devil and Engelberger, wasn't just a machine, it was a revolution. This groundbreaking invention marked the dawn of a new era in manufacturing and industrial processes. It was the first time a robot was used to automate tasks that were previously done manually, setting a precedent for future innovations. It was a pivotal step in the evolution of automation. It transformed industries by increasing efficiency, reducing human error, and allowing for the mass production of goods. Factories around the world began to see the potential of robotics, leading to widespread adoption and further advancements in technology. It pushed the boundaries of what was considered possible. Tasks that were once thought to be too complex or dangerous for machines were now being handled with precision and reliability. This shift not only improved safety, but also opened up new possibilities for innovation in various fields. More importantly, it laid the groundwork for the robotics revolution that continues to shape our world. The principles and technologies developed for Unimate have been refined and expanded upon, leading to the sophisticated robots we see today in industries ranging from automotive to healthcare. As we stand on the cusp of ever more advanced automation and artificial intelligence, it is essential to remember the pioneers like Devil and Engelberger. Their vision and determination were instrumental in overcoming the initial skepticism and technical challenges that came with introducing robots into the workforce. Their vision and perseverance gave birth to a technology that continues to redefine what humans are capable of achieving. The impact of their work is evident in the seamless integration of robots in modern manufacturing, where they perform tasks with speed and accuracy that were once unimaginable. Unimate's story reminds us that the future is not something that simply happens to us. It is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. Each innovation builds upon the last, creating a legacy of technological advancement that propels us forward. It is something we create, one innovation at a time. The journey from Unimate to today's advanced robots is a story of continuous improvement and visionary thinking, reminding us that the possibilities for the future are limitless. Thank you for staying throughout the video. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on industrial robotics. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to not miss any updates on industrial robotics. Also share this video to anyone who might be interested in robotics. This is Future Robotics. See you in the next video.